Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we will talk about the latest health and wellness trends. Today's topic is fasting, and we're going to share with you 7 secrets on how fasting can make us stronger. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the benefits of fasting, let's first define what it is. Fasting means refraining from eating and drinking for a period of time. It's been around for thousands of years and has been used for religious, spiritual, and health purposes. There are several types of fasting, including intermittent fasting, extended fasting, and water fasting. Number 1. Fasting promotes autophagy. The first secret to how fasting makes us stronger is that it promotes a process called autophagy. A natural process by which the body breaks down damaged or old cells and recycles them. This process is important for maintaining cell health and preventing diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. Fasting has been shown to stimulate autophagy, cleanse the body, and promote cell renewal. Number 2. Fasting boosts the immune system. The second secret is that fasting can boost your immune system. When we fast, our body goes into a stress state that causes the production of new white blood cells. Because white blood cells are the body's defense against infection and disease, having more white blood cells can help fight disease and infection can be repelled. Number 3. Fasting improves insulin sensitivity. The third secret is that fasting can improve insulin sensitivity. An important hormone in the body that controls blood sugar levels is insulin. When we eat, our body releases insulin to help transport glucose from the bloodstream into our cells. However, when we eat too much sugar or processed foods, our body can become resistant to insulin, leading to high blood sugar levels and an increased risk of diabetes. Fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help prevent and manage diabetes. Number 4. Fasting promotes weight loss. The fourth secret is that fasting can promote weight loss. When we fast, our body taps into its fat stores for energy, which can lead to weight loss. Additionally, fasting has been shown to reduce levels of the hormone ghrelin, which is responsible for hunger. By reducing hunger levels, fasting can help us consume fewer calories and lose weight. Number 5. Fasting can improve brain function. The fifth secret is that fasting can improve brain function. When we fast, our bodies produce more of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is essential for the growth and survival of neurons in the brain and improves memory and learning. In addition, fasting has been shown to increase levels of another protein called ketone bodies. It provides the brain with an alternative energy source and can improve cognitive function. Number 6. Fasting can reduce inflammation. The next secret is that fasting can reduce inflammation, which is the body's natural response to injury and infection. However, chronic inflammation is associated with many diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body by decreasing the production of inflammatory molecules. The seventh benefit of fasting is that it can improve heart health. Several studies have shown that fasting can have a positive impact on heart health. One study found that intermittent fasting can reduce the risk of coronary artery disease and lower blood pressure. Another study showed that fasting helped reduce inflammation, a key factor in the development of heart disease. Fasting was also found to lower levels of triglycerides and LDL cholesterol. Both are linked to a higher risk of developing heart disease. Overall, incorporating fasting into a healthy lifestyle can be a beneficial way to improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. So, if you're looking to improve your overall health and increase your lifespan, fasting may be worth considering. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Now that we've covered the secrets on how fasting makes us stronger, now let's talk about the different types of fasting. The first type is intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. One popular method is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. The second type is extended fasting, which involves abstaining from food for more extended periods, usually between 24 and 72 hours. The third type is water fasting, which involves only consuming water for an extended period, usually between 24 and 72 hours. If you're new to fasting, here are some tips to make it a successful experience. First, start slowly and gradually increase the duration of your fasts. Second, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and electrolyte-rich fluids. Third, take care not to overexert yourself and pay attention to your body. And fourth, break your fast slowly with nutrient-dense foods to avoid digestive discomfort. And there you have it, the 7 secrets on how fasting makes us stronger. From promoting autophagy and boosting the immune system to improving insulin sensitivity and promoting longevity, fasting has numerous health benefits. If you're interested in trying fasting, be sure to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like and subscribe to our channel and share it with friends, family, or the people you think would benefit from fasting. We will see you in the next video.